Good evening, everyone. Let's start the today's session.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all.
Okay, so today's topic is about the website design, right? That is day 13. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. So, today is about the website design, all about that what is UX, UI, how to select the templates and all, how to customize the things. So, first is UX and UI. You might all know or some might know. So UX means user experience and UI means user interface.
Interface.
So what it is, see, in UX means user experience, it defines that how user is feeling, what's the experience of the user after he comes or he or she comes on our website. Like as we have this website, okay, as you can see there are some animations, right?
Hmm.
So this comes under the user experience. Like as a user, I will feel happy that yes, some things are there that are in the animation form. Some images are there, video is there. That is user experience. If you can say, if I click, see this is my cursor. If I go put this cursor on get started option, it changes the color, right? So
Hmm.
this all comes under the user experience. First thing, I hope it's clear. And second is user interface. Like how is the interface, the structure of the website. Like there should be the logo. It is the front welcome part. Then it is about the about of this person, tech Shorez, and it's his portfolio here. All the things that is the interface. Like what should be before, what should be after. So this is just a thing that is user interface and user experience. Now, see, we just show this website. He showed it is of age not the 6, it is 15. His age is around 10, maybe 10 or 11. He's in the fifth class, that's I know. He's from our institute. He comes and learn the things about you are learning. So he created this website, and same you will create today. Like first Shorya's name, you can put your names here and your about yourself, and then your portfolio we have created till now, all the graphics, images, videos, and the services that you can give to the people. Okay, so how we do? We go to Google, we search Wix. We search Wix, Wix, not Vicks. It's Wix, Wix. So that's the first website, Wix.com. We just click on it, and here click on Get Started option. Now here we have to continue with the Google. This will not be the interface open to your screen when you log in there. I think. Mhm. I have to open it a new account. Already account is there. this Wix. Yes. And here I open this, click on get started option, and here continue with Google. Same thing. Here is also the website is already created, not an issue. See, the thing that will open to you on your interface is uh, it will ask you for whom you are creating this website. Two options will be there, that is myself, my business, and one other was for client or for as a freelancer. Okay, so two options will be there. First is for myself, my business, and anything, and the second was for the client and as a freelancer. So here we will select, that is we are creating it for myself. Okay, we will never select as we are creating it for the clients. I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
no, suddenly your screen was not shared. That's why.
Which screen? My
The
screen it
earlier
was
screen.
shared, no? I think.
Now it
Others?
is earlier.
Yes, yes.
Now it is okay. This screen only was there for some time.
Okay. There might be some network issues from your end, I hope. From my, I think, because all are seeing my screen clearly. So we were here that to select the option for myself. Now, why we are selecting myself and
Where
not
do you
as the
see
client?
myself option? I couldn't see it.
Because
Oh, I
it is required, it will open in the new account only, and all my accounts are already logged in.
no, wait, this myself option, what you selected, no, I was not able to see that.
Okay, what's the option you are seeing?
I'm just
See,
seeing that
we are
start
able to
chat.
see that. We are able to see that.
Only the
I see
start
that
chart and
start
setup
chat setup
without
without
chart
chat.
is it.
Okay.
Only that screen is
O-
there.
Yeah.
okay, see, and those who are seeing the option and those who are not, just learn the thing that, okay, might be you will see the option in the future. So see, the option we were talking about, that whom we are creating the website, so we selected here for myself, and after selecting that you will see this option. Okay,
Mohit, we are not
now
seeing anything. The screen is not moving at all.
because I am not clicked now, this is the screen.
Okay, but
But
how
we
you
can
are?
see some. We can see what you're sharing.
Yeah,
Okay,
start chart, setup with chart. That is what I am seeing.
Yeah, that only
so
is showing.
Okay, but what you are saying is something else.
let's start with this thing. Okay,
I think you went very quick, so people could not follow. Yeah.
It's
see, I
okay.
haven't moved quickly. The thing is, all my accounts are already logged in on the Wix platform. Okay, that's why I am seeing this option. But before this, there's also one more option that comes as a new account at whom you are creating this website.
Okay. So while account
Okay,
opening for new account, it shows.
yes, for a new account.
Okay.
I hope it's clear now.
Yes, sir.
So here we will select setup without chat. Okay, and here we just click on the skip options from the lower right corner, and it's done. Nothing else you have to do. Now the first thing here comes is about the name of your website, and what will be the name. So here you have to add your business name or the website name you want to. So see, here this is the website of the Shauryas. I'm also sharing the link of this in the chats. Okay, this is the Shaurya's website. So it is kind of a portfolio website. So we just take a reference of it and create the same, done, as a portfolio website of yours, so that you can show that to others as well. So here I am entering the name. I can enter a name. By the name I can choose from the chat GPT, right? The same we have taken in the process of the blogging name. So we search there as the name ideas for my blogger website. Here I will search give name ideas for my website for my portfolio website, and my name is Mohit. Now it will give me some names. Mohit Works, Mohit Studio, Mohit Digital, Hates Mohit, Mohit Verse. Most of the names are here. So I can choose anyone that is, let's say, here I choose the Mohit Studio. I search on the Google. The same is on the Google. So, no, the same is not. It's Mohi, not Mohit Studio. So I can take the name, right? But if it's the same here, I couldn't take. The same goes to you. So let's take this name with the yes, and click on continue option, and just skip the options here. You don't have to add anything. Skip and continue to dashboard.
Sir, are we covering the WordPress website also?
No, we are not covering the WordPress here
Okay.
because this is the Wix. Here you will get the templates and all the things without any charges.
Okay.
But and also it is very efficient than the WordPress.
Okay.
WordPress is slow, kind of. Sometimes it's very much slow that you wouldn't be able to work on its backend.
Okay. So professional website we can create on this Wix, right?
Yes, yes. For the
Okay.
professional, we can create on this. Even as you can see, our website, this whole complete website is designed on the Wix.
Okay. Great.
Okay,
Yeah.
so you can check this website as well.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks.
So we are here on the interface. Now we have to click on design side on the left, right hand side.
Sir,
It will give you two
why
options.
why .net and why not .com.in?
I haven't choose any .net or .com. No,
It was written there. Okay. Okay.
just a second. You were saying this one
That.
.net,
That was the
Yes.
right?
option
See,
given by the chat.
that's a custom domain connect option,
Okay.
not the option that we have. Any domain we have connected.
Okay.
It's just a suggestion.
Okay.
Okay, so we are here on the design side. See this panel, the backend panel. We will cover this, but not today. We will cover this tomorrow session. Okay, first let's see how to create the website, and then we will see the options like how to manage the backend things. So today let's design site here. It gives you two options, that is generate a design with AI and customize a template. So we are choosing here pick a template, not generate a design. Why? Because Wix has its AI, but right now it's not that much efficient that it creates a website for you, or you can say a better website. It creates the website but not a better website. So we just see how to customize a template, because if you know how to customize the things, how to do this from the scratch, then you can make the one from the AI as well. Let's pick a template here. Here we have more and more templates. This for the business, one page, industrial, beauty, community, creative parts, for the blog here as well, for the e-commerce purpose. As you can see, we have for everything. Okay, so here we just select our for the portfolio, as we are on the portfolio things. Here are the websites. Now see the number of pages it has. So let's move ahead. See most of the how to check these templates, the complete templates. See, this is the web template we want to see. So here on the view option, right click on it and click open link in new tab, and this will be opened in the new tab here. And let's see, close this, how it is look like.
The
Well,
पाणी पण दे ना मेरे please.
as you can see, my work and all the things are here. We can choose this, okay? And if you want to see others, let's come down. We can click on the view option here, open link in new tab. See, there is nothing in this template. Let's close this one and go to the next page. We have more pages here. We can choose. We can directly search here, that we are searching here as the digital marketing or digital marketer. So we have the websites as well here. Just click on view option and see. See, this is the website. We can use this template as well, like how first we can add the name. Here is just digital marketer, we can add. It's your about us page we can make here, and the services we can add, and your portfolio, my work here, and the clients, means everything is here. So we can choose this one, it will be better. See, if you select, when selecting a template, just see what you really want to make, that if this template really going to help you in easing your work or not. Because like in both the templates, as we can see, here is nothing, right? Just the course and text and some pictures, not a formation. But here is the formation, as we can see the name here, and the about us we can make here, the picture we can add, our services part is here. So this will ease our work better than this. So here let's edit this site. And here we are. Now the first thing we have to do, just close this thing first, and after this we have to click here in the 50%, you can see. Now after clicking this, it will be open in the 100% size, original size. Okay, one more thing, when creating a website, see, 100% page size is the standard size for all the devices, all the screens, means the tablets and laptops for the 13-inch, 14-inch, or anything. So what we do, from our keyboard, we just press Control plus. Now it is 110, and Control minus is 100% only. So we just check this whole again and again, so that the website will be in the correct size. Okay, now first let's see how to do the changes, like how to change the background, how to change the text and all, and then see how to add the other elements as well. Now see, Wix is just like a Canva. As the options are there on the Canva, we have the options here in the Canva, same as like you just have to put the elements, change them, and your website will be ready. So to change the background, we just here click on the background, and here will be the option of change background. When you click, here are three options, that is color, image, video. So in the color option, there is only colors. You can add the more colors from the full color palette as well, right? And second is image. You can add the images here. Just like Canva, it has its own media here. You can search here and upload the media from here as well, means the images that you have in your laptop. And in the video part, here we have the videos as well. So let's search here as the digital marketing. Okay, here are the backgrounds. We have text background, we can see, or the working professional here. So let's select a background. Suppose this background we selected and click on change background. Now here the image is here. In the settings option, we have the option of this video opacity, means the transparency of the video. As I am lowering this, the background color is the this greenish one. Just put this to the black and this will look nice, because now the text will be more visible than the background, and this is what we want. Now the video is here, the background has changed. While we are uploading the video or changing the background in the video and we want it to see, you can only see this play being playing in the preview option. Okay, we are in the editor option here, and when you click on the preview, your video will be played. Like you can see, the video is being played here, right? So back to editor here again. Click on the background, change background option we have done. The layout option is there, that is to add the strip in the center, left, right. So just put it in the center, it will look good. In the design option, we have the option of strip designing, that is borders and all the things you can add. And the next is animation. We have the animation option. Okay, we can add the animations from here. Animation will also play in the preview option only. Okay, now we know how to change the background, how to add the animations and the design and all. Now on the text side, when we click on the text and double click it, we can change it by backspacing, and I can write here my name or the website name, that is the Mohit Studio. Okay, when I select it completely, I can change the font here, the size of the font, and here the bold, italics, underline, the color also I can change. And here below are the parts that are alignment, bullet points, and effects. Here are the effects option, that is black underline, black outline or the white outline. So I have selected white outline there, and you can see. Done. Edit option is not looking good after applying the effect, so just remove that one. And next option is generate text with AI, that is you put the some text here, or you ask this AI that what text you want to generate, same like ChatGPT. ChatGPT is better here. Now on the animation part, we can add the animation on the text as well, as you can see, and more options. This is in the entrance. In the loop option, the animation will be played the whole time. Like this one we have, We can customize it again also, like the duration, the motion style, that is intense, gentle, a slow part, preview, very slow it is. Now the text is also changed. If you want to add the link, you can click on the link here option. We have the link option. We will cover this thing, but not right now, later. Now see, you know how to change the background and you also know how to change the text. And now on the left hand side, we have the add elements. Like now, let's see how to add the elements. So the first is text option. That is to add the text. See, here are the text boxes, but if you want to add another, you can add from here. And here in the last option is the text mask. That is the important one or good one. See, here in the task text mask, you can see a video is being played in the text, right? Here in the hello option as well, a video is there in the text. So if we click on the text, it is here, and want to change it, just click on the change text. Here we can add our all on text. Suppose here I am writing digital marketer. Okay, the text I have added. Here the below part, I just remove this and added this one here. I can just put and drag this movie studio to the above part and this one to the below here like this. And in the design option, after the change text, we have the option of media. I can change the background video of this text, that is from the change media. Here we have the videos, and I can also search here like the abstract. See, these are the abstract videos, the similar one, as you can see. The white one will be look good, so I just click on this and click on change background. It is changed. And here on the text option, the second one, the first is fill, second is text. I can change the font and the size of it as well, like here font option, or the other, this the font. I can uppercase, lowercase, and all the things, character spacing, line spacing. And to make it small, here on the point, the foreside, I have this option to make it smaller. We can add it in the center. The center line is here. Done. And this is the button. We just put it to here. It's done. The text mask option. Now the second was about the image. From here we can add the image on the page on our section. So here are the upload image option, and free from Wix option we also have, that is the images from the Wix itself we can add. Suppose here I am adding digital marketer. Okay, so we have the pictures of it. Also we can upload the media. So here I am uploading from computer, and let's say I am uploading my picture here. That's my pic, and open. Pic is uploaded. Just click on add to page, and the pic is here. Now I can make it smaller from this point and add it here. Now see, the picture is here, but the text is this, so we just move it to like this. Like this one here. See, this style will look good if we can see, or we can just add the same one like we have did earlier, but in the left hand side. Now see these dotted lines, as you can see here, right? These are the dotted lines that defines that the content after this means this T and this portion of the image might be cut it down in some screen sizes. Okay, so this content might not be seen in some screen sizes, but see here is the T. This will be visible to in all the sizes because here is enough space, like, okay, there is enough space here but not here, so we can do like just make the picture small a little bit. Okay, now there is also enough space. A little bit outside these lines can be, you know, done, nothing problem with that. Now we are on the image, change image. The image we have already changed, or we can say uploaded. On the edit image option, we have the options of adjust, filters, and object remover and all. See, here is the option of cutout, means to remove the background of this image. We can remove the background from here. Like we don't have to go to the third website to remove its background. Here I clicked on the cutout option and the background is removed. I just click on save. And see, the background is removed. I can make the pic larger now like this, and from here as well, so that it will look nice. Nice it is. The pic is here. Now change image we have done, edit image, the settings option is there. That is nothing, just to add the link option is there, we can cover it again. The design option we have, in the design option we have these frames. So if we are adding the frames, of course the background will be there. Like see, this is the frame one, that's the another frame, and more and more. So we can choose one frame and customize design. We can change the borders of these frames, as like you can see, the border is the same like it, like the background, because we don't have any background in the image. That's why it is taking the border as the background color. Done. We have these options. Just if you want to undo this, control plus Z and it will be undo. And here, yes, it's done. Design option we have covered as well. Now the filters we known in the edit image, the animation option is also there, we have covered. We can add the animation on the picture as well. And the link option is also there, we can add the link of this image. Now see, this is the complete section. The section is still here. Now if you want to edit more here, want to add the about us, we can do, but you should not do or add the about us in the same section, because always keep one section for the one thing. Like here, this is the welcome part, so we just only keep this section as the welcome and not as the about. So what we do, we make the size of this section smaller. Like here is the line, we just hold it and make it above, just above, and it is coming here till now. See, It's done. Now here see, if we want to make it more smaller, we cannot do because here is the picture. So if we drag this picture to above, then we can drag the section, but again it is stopped because we have the picture here. Now how to change the background, the text, how to add the new text, the text mask option, the images we have done, animations we have done. Let's see the next options here. The button one means we can add the buttons here as well. See, we see the buttons like view more, shop now, or we have the options of download, chat, explore, and we can see on this website if there is a button. Yes, there is a button that is view my Behance. Means if we click on this button, it will redirect us to a different website of this person's portfolio. Okay, all the things that he has done in the graphics, because it was about the view my graphic designing portfolio. So he put a button and put a link to it. How we do? See, we also have a button here, right? So we can add, we can add the one from here as well. Suppose we have added this one and we can make the changes, but we already have a one, so let's make the changes in this. Click on this, change text from talk to us. Let's see, here we can add visit my blog. Okay, we all have done the blogger, so we just add here, I just add here visit my blog, and here is the option of links to. See, here is the option of link. We have none, means no link will be there. The page means there are 3 pages on this website. We can, you know, connect it to each other from this page option. Like which page, privacy policy, or more pages are there. We haven't created any pages till now. And the next is web address, means the link to our another website, that is the blogger. So here let's see. See, this is my blogging website. I just copy the link and I paste it here. The link is there. How does it open in a new window? And done. So now if anybody clicks on this button, it will redirect us to digitally bullet. Now let's see how it works. How to see in the preview option. It is here. You can see my picture, it is in a motion, the background video, and the video is in it. And if I click on this visit my blog, it is opening the digitally blend website because we have added the link to this one. Let's back to editor. Everyone is in the group active now, like nobody is saying any word.
Everybody is studious now, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now this way you can also learn many more things and your doubts will also be clear at the same time, because if I complete the topic in one go, I will teach you better and you will learn more better. So I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir.
Let's see more elements here. That is, we have covered text, image, and button. Next is strip. So what strip is? Let's move to the another section here first. Or let's see how to add another section. Okay, first, see here. This is the section. The first section we have. At the end of the section, we have this option, add section, and if you click on this, a blank section will be here. Now we can add some images, text in it. right? We can add the text from here, we can add the images from here, and we can also change the background as well, that is from the change background. So the option we want to know is the strip one. Now just see, this is the complete section, and if you want some strip, some section like this part is there, if you cover only the mid section of this as a different thing, so we can do this with the strip. Like on the about section, the services, we have different things here already written. We can do what, see, about is here, we can add the about as well. See, this is the part, the about is here, it's in the complete. I can make this strip. See, I just click on the strip here and I am shortening it, and I can increase the size of the section and in the center. Now as you can see, this is the background, the section complete, but in the mid of this there is this about section. I can change the background color now, or the image as well. Let's suppose this is the image. As you can see, the background is changed, but there is nothing on this strip. So this is why we use the strip to reflect two things in a single section, that is the background and then the front of it. Okay, but this will not look good as this thing. So what we do, we just remove the back strip here and we continue with this thing only. Just change background, click on the settings and image opacity to lower and very low, done. So we are here. Okay, the next thing we have is the decorative. In the decorative we have the options. See, we have the options of lines here and the shapes we can add to, make some things good, like this thing. It is this here, we can add the text on this. How? Go to the text and we can take some text here. The text, and the text is about me, and if you click on this, I can add it here, right? And I can just add the things and add an image here. So we can add the shapes and we can add the text on it. Now see, this one another option, that is, first let's take an image, only then we can understand. Yes, that's the image. Now see, the image we have added here, but now we want this image on the back of this box. So we have in Canva, we have the option of position, and here what we do, we right click on the image and we have the option of here arrange. We have the option of arrange and just take it as move backward, and after move backward it will be, should be done. Just click again, move backward here, and it's done, right? The image is back on the back and this is in the front. So the arrange option is also done here. I'm just deleting this part, and we have the decorative option. We have cleared the box option. That's the same as the decorative boxes, but it's are the simple boxes are here only. Then is the option of gallery. So in the gallery option, we can add the images, like we have different gallery options. This is the slider one, a slider in the circle format, and at the end we have this 3D cursor, like it will move in the 3D style. So we can add this one. We can choose this to show our portfolios here. Just click on the change images and we can change. Like how? Just click on change. We can delete all these by click on the delete option and add images. We can upload our images, the portfolio we have created, the posters we have created. Suppose this is the one. Now this one, and we have this image and this image. Okay, just click on open. 4 images we have selected here. Now we can select here the images, all the images. See all the images how I am selecting. The first one, I click on the first, and then I am pressing the control option and click on the second and on the third and on the fourth, and then release the control option. These are all selected, and just click on add to gallery. All 4 are here. Click on done option, and these are here. Okay, the gallery has been changed. So if you move to the preview option, this will rotate in some seconds. Okay, now let's back to the editor option here.
Sir, uh, please, how you set the rotation? Please,
I
one.
haven't set the rotation. Okay, and
Okay.
I choose the go to the gallery and I choose
Gallery.
this.
Added the
This one.
photos. It's automatically rotated. Get rotated.
Yes, it's already rotating now.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
3D.
3D
Okay,
carousel.
okay, got it.
Okay, and when clicking on this carousel option, we have clicked on the change image. We have other option, that is settings, that is autoplay on loading, and how long between the images, that is 3 seconds. We can send it, keep it to 2 seconds as well. And in the design option, we can change the design of this gallery again from here itself, but we are not changing it. Okay, and in the animation we can select the animation that will go in the front option while scrolling down. Okay, we just select this one and it's done. Let's move to the other options, that are the menu and anchor. See, menu and anchor options are here. These are the options that are about the header. Means we will know all these options after completing the whole website, because see, these are the option. This is the header. So we complete the header because here are we put some links about services and all the things. So we do the header changes after completing the whole website, not in the starting, because we might change some things in the mid, we might change some things at the end. But if the website is complete, this will be complete in just 2 minutes. So that's why we are completing the menu and anchor at the end. Next is contact and forms. We can add some contact forms at the end, just like this one. Yes, here the contact form is here, so that somebody has some issues, they can here fill the information and write the message so that we can connect with the person later. Video and music option we have, that is we can add the music video here. We can add the single YouTube link of the video and the video will be here. Means you don't have to completely add the video, just add the link from the YouTube and the video will be here. Another is interactive, that is the slider option. Means this will slide one by one the whole website, sorry, the whole section. The list option is we have some designs is here, code if you want to add, some social icons if you want to add here, the payments option, like if you want to add some payment links, and other blog, store, and all things. See, we will cover these things, the store option, in the tomorrow's class, because this is in the advanced version. Okay, let's close this one. Now all the designing option, you know. So here the first section we have completed. In the section, see, the second section was this, right? So if you want to move this on the back, on the upper side, we just click on this, we have this option, move section up. So we did, and the section is here. And the same with this, because we want to add the about in this section, and move section up. Done. And then the services, so just move section, this section to the downward, so that we can add our work like this one. So here, first thing is this we have done. Second is this one. We can here change the text to, like, we can change it to digital marketing marketer. Spelling is wrong. Yes, done. And we, on the customize design, we can customize the font, the color, and here the separator. We have other options, and the movement, that is left to right, or right to left, or left to right. So we just, right, make it right to left. And the speed of this movement. Done. We have changed the text. Now here we can add the about us. So let's click on this text and delete this one and change this to about the Mohit Studio. Done. And we can put it here. We can add this vector to the above, and this to here. And now we can add the about us that we can generate from the chat GPT. So I can just add here, please write the about of the website, the Mohit Studio, and I am a digital marketer from the last 6 years. So now, providing the services of digital marketing. So I just add this about. You can add about everything, like what you are doing, what you are, or what you have done earlier, your experiences till now, and all the things. So here the about it has given. I We can just make some changes and copy this and put it here. Now see, the text is here, but the color changed. So what we do, we just go to the edit text and change the color to the black here, and we add some enters so that it will look nice, including this and this and this. It's done. We can move, make it wider like this, the upper side, and it's done. See here, the text bullet point is here. We can just back it here. It will be done. Now, as you can see, the about is already also ready. The animation we can add here. It's already added. On the text is also added, but the image is not changed. So we can click on the image and click on the here, change background to the image. So here we can upload our image, or we can also upload our logo as well. Okay, let's suppose here I am uploading my image. And I click on change background, it will be changed. Now as you can see, it is only changing in the above and not in the below, so there might be some things. Let's see what it is. It is manage columns, nothing like this. See, there might be some things. So what we do, we just remove this column here. We have done removed. We can just make the size lower, and we can add our image by ourselves. We can add the image by ourselves. Like, go to the add elements, image. Here we have uploaded the image, so this was the image, and the image is here. We can make the text size here a little bit more smaller, and it will be done. Now see, we have the image here, and now here on the design option we can change some designs as well. Like this is the 3D design, as we can see, and add the animations on it. Done. We have covered the about section, we have covered the welcome section. Now what we can do, we can move ahead with the others. As our services, we can add here, that is the services we provide. We can take the reference from this website, that is graphic design, we all know, video editing covered, content writing you also know, and the website designing we are covering. So you can add these services in this website, and some text here in the below side that we can generate from the chat GPT, right? I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so yes, Nanda Kumar, the topic is too technical, we have to practice obviously. And thank you, Narayan, for covering this mm, query. So okay, we are done, completed this. Now see, the services we can complete, the section here, we can just copy this from here, and we can remove this part and upload it R1. Now this way it is here our work, or you can say my portfolio or our portfolio. You can add all the images here. And one more thing, in the gallery option, right, in the gallery option we can only add the images, not the videos. And I think so, or we can, you can say here change images only, and the add images, not add the videos. So to add the videos, what we do, we can just change this one, remove the strip here. Yes. So see, to add the images and videos, everything, we can upload them single-handedly. Like we can upload this image here, and like smaller one, and then go to the this video and music option in the front, and we have this option of video upload, or we have the options of video gallery here as well. We can upload 1 2 3 4 videos and more and more. Okay, we just choose here video box and change video, upload media, and we can upload the videos here. The video is uploaded. Just click on add to page and video is here. We can move this big size and we can make this one. We can add a one single image here as well. Now we can add a big image here as well. This way a new pattern will be there and your video will also be played. Okay, and images and videos will in the same section. It's done till now. So let's delete this section here because it's of no use. Services, our work, and then we have the clients option. We can add the clients, like let's suppose if you have done any previous work or the you can do this. And if you haven't, what we can do, we can just remove this complete section, and here is single term. We can make this like this and nothing else. See, here is just nothing, a single text. So we can add it, we can keep this one as a design and nothing else. Okay, a background is there and we can just add a text. Here we can change the text things. Let's suppose this is the text we added. We can do some line spacing between them so that it will look nice. In the center option, done. And below we have all these options. We can just remove this section as well because at the end we just wanted the contact information. Okay, we have this contact here as well, or we can also do, we can remove this part as well because at the end we have this footer. Okay, here we can add our contact information, the number, mail ID, and here the addresses we can add. And here on the left hand side, the Facebook, Instagram link we can do. Let's suppose here on the Facebook, we can click on the link option and click on web address, and we can add the, we could you can know, we can paste the link of our Facebook URL, and same goes to the Instagram. Done. I hope all is clear. Hello. Okay, clear. Thank you so much. Now, see, what you need to do, you have to create the website. Okay, you have to create the website, something like this. You can change the backgrounds, we can change the text here just like I did. And here on the top hand side, you can add the logo of your business. And see, the website I have created is of the portfolio. So if you have a business, you can create for that as well, or any other idea that you have, you can create on that as well. Not an issue, but you have to create because tomorrow we will see how to make the changes in the header. But to see that, we first need this website to be completed because only then you can do the things, and how to do the mobile site as well. Done. This will take only 10 to 15 minutes and then we will move to the next topics. So yes, see, more things after publishing. Yes, we can see here, you don't have to publish the website first. Okay, here are the option of publish. Just click on the save option before leaving the website here, and it will ask you to choose a domain, and we have to add the same name as we have for the website without any spacing here. So here click on save and continue, and it will be saved. And if you want to see the complete website, what you do is click on the preview option.
Sir, can you please repeat the publish and save option again?
Okay, I'm getting back to it again.
The
See,
name, website
name.
name. Domain name, sorry.
Now it will not be open when I
Okay,
click on the
okay,
save.
okay.
Oh,
Oh, no, it opened. I have to click on the edit.
Where is the option? This
Yes,
name.
yes. See here is the option of save on the top right corner. Okay, and the publish. So
hmm.
do not publish the website because it is not completed right now. So after
Okay.
completing the whole website, we will publish this.
Hmm.
But if in, let's suppose we have published this website after completing and we want to do some changes,
Hmm.
we can do. We just change the
Okay.
web. We can do the changes and we can again click on the publish and it will be live again. Okay, the
But
changes will
once
reflect.
but once it is published, I think viewers can view it, right?
Yes, viewers can view it.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I'm saying to not to publish it before completion.
Yes. Okay.
Okay, and so is the option of save to save this before leaving this website. Someone's mic is on. Okay, so we can click on the save option. See, there is a auto save, but still before leaving the website, click on save so that in any of the case there is any network issue, your website will be saved there, and you will not be like "Ki, I have completed the whole website and made the website and it is not there because of this issue. Okay, when you are click on the saving, there you will see the option of the domain. See, right now it will use the free domain from the Wix site with your name. So we can add the name here. Like here I have added the Mohit Studio and click on done and it will be done. And if I'm here clicking on the preview option, we can see the website. And it's done. Right?
In Google, www.mohitstudio, if you press, then it will come. Huh?
No,
This.
no, it will not come as www.themoidstudio because we haven't purchased the domain for that now.
Okay.
It will come as like an example. Yes, it will come as like this. Mohit Kaushik dm.wixsite.com and digitally woolen. Okay, this was the website of mine earlier without the domain name. So this is how it will show on the Google. Your website will show on the Google. But if you purchase the domain of this, it will be removed. Like then only it will show the mohitstudio.com. I
And
hope
then
it's clear.
how to see the website then? How to get back to next day? It is saved. No? We have to go to Wix
Yes,
and
yes,
see.
yes. See, it is saved. So the next time you open the Wix, you might see this interface. Okay, here is the Moy Studio. Just click, select, and edit. You might see this one or next the interface this one. Both the interface can open. You might see any of the one. So here, if you want to design that site again, just click on design site and the interface will open up again from where you have left. Just give this a minute. And now you can see the same things, you can edit it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so this is all from my side. Now as there are so many queries. And so in newspaper website, how to upload paper. How to upload paper means you are uploading the cuttings of the paper or anything else per Pripati. Aniruddha, can you let me know what's the RS feed automatically for news website? What do you
Yeah,
really
that
want to say?
that RS feed, I think, from the link of the other paper website or newspaper website. I think we have to just connect, so automatically it will update.
And that means you are saying if some news website is there, you have
Yeah,
how to connect that website to this one.
yeah, just Times of India. Suppose I created my website page and I want to show the content of the Times of India.
Mm-hmm.
So there is on RS website, something like
Okay,
that is
okay.
there.
Got your point.
Yeah.
We can do such things, but in that case, we need the backend from both the websites
Yes.
and also the premium version of the Wix.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's the case.
Okay.
We can do such things in it.
Yeah.
Is there any other website to create free? Yes, SR. You can try for the Webly as well or other things. See, till now, uh, for the web design, we are working on the Wix. Okay, that's the best one because here you can do anything without any coding. You just need the premium version of this sometimes because if you are, want to compete with the coders, you are obviously, you know, doing the website design in a high level. So if you are doing that, you will obviously purchase the premium. So Wix is right now the best website to create the best platform to create the websites. Even our institute website is on it, so you can say you can have an idea by this. How to add payment links? We can connect the payment gateway. Shalini here. We will cover this in the next class.
By the what will be the storage of this Wix website for us? Means the
Storage.
yeah, storage means the
In the free version, it's 500 MB,
okay.
but that's enough for this website that we are creating. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Landing page. There are several pages on the website. And there is one particular page you want. Thank you so much, Narayan. You have a great knowledge. Tell this of this thing. So thank you so much for handling all the queries. And K Samuel, Narayan is right that the landing page is the same. That there is a one page on your website where you want your visitors to land. Basically, uh, we can have an example of this. You see ads on the Instagram or Facebook, right? When you click on them, it redirects you a website. So that was not the actual website, that was the landing page. Like if you are seeing a website, you are seeing an ad from the Apple. Okay, you are seeing the ad of an Apple mobile, and you just click on this ad, it will redirect you to a website. But that website will not be the apple.com. That will be the landing page. And if you click on some product there, then it will redirect you to the apple.com because businesses use this trick to filter out their traffic. Suppose there are 1 lakh people that are clicking on the ad at the same time. So that 1 lakh people that comes on, if they comes on this website apple.com, that will increase the load on the website. So what they do, they create the landing page, then the traffic goes to a landing page, and after that, from that 1 lakh, only 20% are interested, that is 20,000. So those 20,000 click on that will be redirected to apple.com, and their traffic, their load will not be increased on their original website. That is why we are using the landing page. Also, we can say a single page website is a landing page. Okay, because that page we see after the clicking on the ad is a single page. So we can say a single page website is a landing page.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Raghunandan, there are things to create the interactive elements such as, like you asked, game puzzles or wheels, except spin wheel and all. We can create that, but not in the free version. Okay.
How much is the paid version, Mohit?
Yes. See, the paid version, there are different paid versions. So basically, it requires, see here, when you log in from a new ID, it gives you a 50% off. Okay. So here, as you can see, we basically choose this core option 250, but original price is 500, but now it is just for 50% discount is there, it is showing 250. So we just select this one for a 1 year. This might be around, goes around to 3500 approximately. Okay, after the discount,
Okay.
but in the main, without discount, it goes up to 5,000 to 6,000.
Okay, so you cannot choose one single month. I mean, you have to take the whole year. Only then you get the
No, you
discount.
can choose for the single month as well. But what's the use for the single month? Na? You also
Okay.
want the hosting,
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course.
right? And one more thing, if you are choosing the Wix Premium, then Wix gives you a hosting for 1 year and domain for 1 year free. Means you don't have to purchase the domain from the outside. You can just purchase the domain from here, that is in the free, if you are purchasing the premium version of the Wix.
And what is the space they provide in the hosting?
Mm, that is the, we can see here, 50 GB.
Okay,
Okay,
got it.
50 GB, that is very much enough. Pankaj, yes, we can integrate with backend database as well. Or when you want to make a gambling website there, like what you are into really.
Who?
Just a
Okay.
question
Oh,
here. See, we can do such things, but why are you thinking like this? Okay. So that's it from my side. Everyone, just you know, create the website, and then we will cover complete the this website tomorrow and all the things. So I hope you like the today's session.
Yes, sir.
yes, yes, Mohit. Was good.
Okay, thank you so
Yes, sir.
much.
Thank you, sir.
How is Wix better than GoDaddy? Because GoDaddy also provides hosting as well as website templates,
See,
right?
GoDaddy is a platform for the domain and hosting, not for the website. If you remember, when GoDaddy launched, it was for the domain name only, right? So they have very better expertise in the domain than the website, and there's more options on the Wix than the GoDaddy. You can open them and just compare it. See, the thing is, here I am choosing the Wix only because we have used this personally. That means we have hands-on practice on it, on a lot on this, and others as well, that is Shopify and all. But the options that Wix gives, is there are no other websites till now on the Google that are giving the same websites.
Okay.
Yes, Shalini, we can create multiple websites on one single account of Wix, but that will affect your businesses. Suppose you are creating the website, you are creating a website for Shalini, and then again you are creating a new website for the Mohit. So suppose if you want to change, do some changes in Mohit, and if you want to make the purchase of the premium, you do this on the Mohit's website, and you really want to do it on the Shalini. So it will create some confusion and make your website, complexities in your work. So better option is to create a new mail ID with the Mohit's name and then start with that.
Sir, suppose I have already created one website with some name. We cannot create the same website with the same name, no?
No, we cannot create the same name. What we do, we can just delete that website first and create the new one.
There is no option of deleting from my side. Then someone has created behalf of me.
Okay, see, here is the option. Yes, this is the option you might get, interface. Right here on the top side, you will see this name. Here, go to all sites, and when you click on go all sites, you will see the complete sites here. So this is the website you are creating now, and this was the earlier. So you want to delete this, just here click on this three dot site action and move to trash, and it will be deleted. I hope it's clear.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that's all from my side, everyone. We'll meet you tomorrow. Have a good night.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
Bharat. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Most welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,
Good night.
I have a small doubt. Sir,
Yes, yes,
the
yes.
links, whatever you are providing in our group, how long if
Mm,
they will be there in the group? Suppose after the 3 months, 4 months, whenever we want, we feel like to refresh ourselves, we can click those links and
see,
watch those things.
for this, you can connect with the Teju ma'am. Okay, she can
Okay.
help you out. Or just one thing, just do one thing, that download the videos and store it in your desktop.
Okay.
Okay, with the day wise, that is day
Yes.
one video and day two and all.
Yeah, okay. Right, right.
Sir,
Oh,
I
I'll
think
do that
there is
again.
no download option for that.
I have told that how to download the video from the YouTube.
Okay.
That is from
But
the copy link, na.
mm,
Copy link and go to the Google. That is search YouTube video downloader, and you can download from there.
Okay, sir. Done. Thank you.
Okay.
So you are going to provide the contact number for getting the paid version of Canva.
Yes, sure. I'm putting that in the chat.
Hello, sir. Sir, one small query.
Yes.
Sir, for websites, which payment gateway is suitable, like Razorpay or PayPal? Which one is
See, do Razorpay is better
okay?
because we are in India. Okay,
Okay.
but apply for both, that is Razor Pay and PayPal, so that if in any of the case Razor there is some errors in the Razor Pay, you can deactivate, you can switch the account to the PayPal so that users can pay on the account, they
Oh,
don't face any issues.
okay, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.